Many people think domestic workers don't have rights in Jamaica. Housekeepers, nannies, caregivers, gardeners, too often they're told, this doesn't apply to you. But that's not true. Let's break it down clearly. What rights domestic workers have in Jamaica and what employers are legally required to do. Who is a domestic worker? A domestic worker is someone hired to work in or around a private household, such as housekeepers, nannies and babysitters, caregivers, cooks, gardeners, live-in helpers. Domestic work is real work. Do domestic workers have rights in Jamaica? Yes, domestic workers have rights, and they are protected under Jamaican labor laws. Even if you work in a private home, you are still entitled to fair treatment, payment for work done, basic labor protections. Now, let's examine each right individually. First, the right to minimum wage. Domestic workers are entitled to at least the national minimum wage, unless a higher rate is agreed. You should be paid for all hours worked and overtime if agreed. Second, the right to be paid on time. Your employer must pay you on the agreed payday. Late pay or unpaid wages are not acceptable, even in private households. Third, the right to notice or notice pay. If your job is ending, you are entitled to notice or pay in lieu of notice, unless dismissed for serious misconduct. The amount of notice depends on how long you've worked. Fourth, the right to safe and respectful working conditions. Domestic workers have the right to a safe work environment, respectful treatment, and freedom from harassment or abuse. Harassment is illegal even in private homes. Fifth, the right to NIS registration. Domestic workers should be registered with the National Insurance Scheme, NIS. This gives access to maternity benefits, sickness benefits, employment injury benefits, retirement benefits. NIS protects your future. As it relates to maternity benefits, domestic workers may not always qualify for employer-paid maternity leave, but they can qualify for NIS maternity benefits. Once contribution requirements are met, NIS can still support you. 6. The right to a clear agreement. You should have a clear agreement, even if it's not written. That agreement should cover pay rate, working hours, duties, days off. Written agreements are strongly recommended. Now, what do you do if your rights are violated? If you're treated unfairly? 1. Keep records of work and pay. 2. Save messages or instructions. 3. Try to raise concerns calmly. 4. Contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. Remember, working in a home does not mean working without rights. Domestic workers deserve dignity, fair pay, and protection under the law. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more domestic workers in Jamaica know their rights. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.